Now we are going to see some basic functions used in Excel,
like sum, average, max and min. We have calculated the total expenditure using the auto sum option, which inserted the formula with the function sum, that is equal to sum, followed by the range, that is B3 colon B14. Now we are going to add two more columns, one for income and another one for savings. Make it bold and also make it center. Increase the column width for uniformity. Then change the column B title as expenditure. Also change the title as statement of accounts. For that, select the title which is in cell A1, then press F2 function key, or we can also navigate the cell content using the formula bar. Press enter. Consider 50,000 salary for the first 6 months. So enter 50,000. Then we can copy and paste the value for the remaining 5 months, that is up to June 2019. For copy, use Ctrl C. For paste, use Ctrl V. We can also use the fill handle, or we can also use the tools available in the Home tab. For the remaining months, consider the salary 55,000. Then use the fill handle to fill the values. And to find the savings of specific month, deduct the expenditure with income, that is income minus expenditure, C3 minus B3. We are having the feature called quick fill. For that, double click on the fill handle, which will automatically fill the remaining cells. Also format the column C as accounting format. Now copy and paste the total expenditure formula to find the total income and also to find the total savings. Now we are going to fill the summary part of the sheet. The total income is in cell C15 equal to C15. The total expenditure is in cell B15. Total savings is in cell D15. Instead of putting the formula again, we have just referred the cell which is containing the total expenditure, total income and total savings. This will reduce the load of processing. Now, in order to find the maximum expenditure, we are having the function called max equal to max. Then for the set of values, we are going to select expenditure, that is range. It will return the maximum value among the given range. In the same manner, to find the minimum expenditure equal to min, the min function returns the minimum value, that is smallest value. Select the range, close the bracket. To find the average expenditure, use the average function equal to average. Then select the range of values. We will see about the cell referencing in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.